Oh, I really forgot how this works. Oh, hey, say cheese. Sorry, no memory. Hey, what's up guys? I'm Delpy and welcome to Delpy and Waz. Today's video is about the Galaxy S21 series. Now, yeah, 2020 is over, 2021 is about to begin really soon. It's quite amazing how the year has started, has ended very quickly. I missed everything that was going on. But more into what we're about to talk today. The Galaxy S21 Plus has been leaked, and what you're seeing now is the footage from the person who actually leaked it. I mean, there are some complaints about the device, which I will go into when I'm talking more about the device in the video. So, without wasting much time, let's jump right in. This would be an overview video for the Galaxy S21 series, what to expect, the specifications that are coming on the devices, and maybe the launch dates. I don't have the launch dates, I'm kidding. Rumors have it that the Galaxy S21 might just be the smartphones or the flagship devices Samsung would be releasing. And when I mean the only flagship devices they'll be releasing, they might not come up with the Note series this year. So instead, they're planning on adding the S Pen to the S21 Ultra. Most of these news articles like GSM Arena, Tech Radar, and Tom's Guide have it on their site that the S Pen wouldn't have a port or a housing in the phone. Yes, so the S Pen would be on a separate casing that would come with the phone, some Apple shit going on. So you should kind of expect that. And if that happens, then it basically means that you are not getting a Note series this year. Hopefully not. I just pray it doesn't happen that way. I'm going to mention the specifications for all three devices, so if in case it gets boring, please bear with me and stick till the end. I really need you to watch this video till the entire end. Now, starting off, let's begin with the display. The display on the S21 is going to be a 6.2-inch FHD Plus with a 120Hz refresh rate. They had it on the Galaxy S20 and the previous S20 series, so I mean, you probably have an experience already if you've had a 120Hz display. The Galaxy S21 Plus will be coming with a 6.7-inch FHD Plus LTPS 120Hz display, and the S20 Ultra will be coming with the S21 Ultra will be coming with a 6.8-inch WQHD Plus LTPO, not silicon, instead oxide, which is more durable and sustainable than the silicon on the Galaxy S21 Ultra. And yeah, it also comes with 120Hz refresh rate. That is it for the display. On the software, you're getting One UI 3.0 for all devices and better. I believe they are going to upgrade it though. Sorry, you're getting One UI 3.1. Yes, you're getting One UI 3.1 on the S21, S21 Plus, and the S21 Ultra altogether. And they're all based on Android 11 with 2 years or probably, hopefully, 3 years major upgrade, meaning you can upgrade from Android 11 to hopefully Android 14 or Android 13. Depends on what Samsung comes up with. Also, remember that this is a rumored specification and it's not a certified one, but hopefully most of these will definitely pop up on the Samsung devices. Now let's continue with the CPU. So you're getting a Snapdragon 888 processor that was released. Snapdragon 888. It sounds so funny. Let's just do the 888. Yeah, 888 is more powerful. So Snapdragon 888 processor or the Exynos 2100 on the Galaxy device. And also, this depends on your region. If you're in Africa like I am, you're definitely going to get the Exynos version. If you are in somewhere in the US, you might get the Snapdragon variant. I don't know why they do that. And yeah, this applies for all of them. They all come with the same variant. 888, SDM, or the Exynos 2100. The part where things get interesting. Now in the leaked video I showed earlier on, before the start of the video, you'd realize that there was something going on. And I made mention that the guy complained about the cameras on the device, saying that most of the colors that come out from the camera are too oversaturated. The blues are too blue, the yellows are too yellow, and the greens are too green. And to me, I don't think it's a problem because There is a setting that you could actually have to tweak it down a bit, but I believe that before the final product is released, they might have to configure it very well to tone them down a bit. Let's talk about the specs these cameras are coming with. The S21 is coming with an ultra-wide camera which has a 12 megapixel lens, a main lens which comes with a 12 megapixel lens as well, and a telephoto lens of about 64 megapixels, which I believe is big. I mean, pixels don't really matter, but I mean, it works nowadays. It's actually fine. The S21 Plus comes with the same camera specifications, 12 megapixel, and a 64 megapixel lens. And the big guy, the S21 Ultra. Hopefully they don't mess up the camera system like they did previously. You are getting a 12 megapixel ultra wide angle lens, a main 108 megapixel second gen sensor X, or which is a 3x sensor. Initially, I found a tweet on Twitter saying that Galaxy or Samsung is trying to come up with a smartphone that has a 600 megapixel lens sensor. I was thinking maybe they were doing it for the Galaxy S21 Ultra, but I don't think they are doing that because that's not necessary. 600 megapixels, what are we going to use it for? They're going to use it to detect the number of aliens on the moon, or try to zoom into people's hearts to see what they think or what. Doesn't make sense. It comes with an optical sensor which has a 10 by 10 times megapixel lens, and another optical sensor which will also come with the 10 megapixel lens. I personally have no idea what this means. We just have to wait till the launch date. The colors. I really don't do this, it's not necessary, but you are getting almost 4 colors on the device, and you're having a phantom violet, a phantom pink for the ladies, phantom gray for the big men, and the phantom white for the rich guys. They also are capable of keeping white. Rich guys. Yeah. On the S20 Ultra, you're just getting 2 variants, just the phantom black and the phantom silver, and that, my friends, is class. The battery capacity. You're getting a 4000 milliamp hour battery on the regular S21, and you're getting a 4800 milliamp hour on the S21 Plus, and then a whooping 5000 milliamp hour battery on the S21 Ultra. Quite impressive specs on the Ultra. I mean, the name says it all. Ultra. This has been the specifications on the device. From the leaks you saw, you can see that the S21 Plus is a really huge device, and it's going to come out very big. So if you're somebody who doesn't fancy huge phones, I think you should settle for the regular S21, which is quite the same size as my Huawei P30 Lite, or maybe a bit bigger. The Galaxy S21 Ultra is mind-blowing. I mean, the specs that it packs is quite impressive, but hopefully the price point doesn't blow our minds, because we know Samsung will definitely come up with a huge price point, and maybe somewhere in March, June, July, you're going to get a price point that will be very low. Because now the Galaxy S10 Plus is very cheap, and I'm sorry for saying that it's not cheap, but to some people it's cheaper than it came out when it was being launched. So my name is Dobby once again. This has been the overview for the Galaxy S21 series. Stay tuned for more updates in case they come up, and I hope to catch you guys in another one. Stay safe. Peace out.